Hey there everyone, it's Peter from Bag Riders, and today we're here in the shop and we just received a very special package from Ridetech. It seems like someone from marketing got a little bit excited and went ahead and already opened it up, but today we're going to take our very first look at the RidePro E5 AirPod. As you can see, it has everything that you need in your air ride management. You have a solenoid-based manifold, dual compressors, and an air tank. So I'm just gonna walk around it, get some ideas, my thoughts and opinions. Yeah, I'm excited to look at it. It seems like it has a lot going on, but it's so simple.
I am definitely just blown away just by the concept itself. The fact that this is a drop-in system, plug and play, and you can just throw it in your trunk and go. To me, that's huge.
And this kind of solves all the problems with regards to wiring up your car and finding the power.
Yeah, no, I love it. For the beginner, this is probably the best way to go.